Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for support. Big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now we are seeing a breakdown of this ascending level support for XRP like this. Boom. Breaking down. I think that if we start to come up into this resistance, this would be a good little short opportunity for those that have missed this short, okay? We'll be stopping that previous swing high. Potentially what we've got is some kind of retracement coming back up right now. Bust a move through it. Obviously, it's why you always use stops. Take out that high, okay? You found some correction in there and you're starting to take off again. You know, you really are. You know, you're really beginning to take off into space. But what I envision, purely because of this chart at the bottom, like I said to you on Friday, that if we start to see this breaking down and this breaking out, I think that you've got an impulsive move, a corrective move for the DXY where it starts to come up to retrace to where it formed this pattern, okay? So I'm not necessarily looking for XRP to bust a move until we start to get up to that level there with a potential wick through for the DXY in that red line, which is its previous support, not back tested as resistance on the way down here. So look at this falling wedge breaking out. Like I said to you, if you start to see that, think about your position in crypto. Short at that point with you stop on the previous swing high, boom, we got it. Lovely little short opportunity right now. So right now we're coming up, and I think that, you know, I would not necessarily be looking to long XRP until we start to see this turned into resistance, and especially this red line. If we get resistance here and do something like that and create a bearish pattern up there, potentially with some kind of bearish divergence on the DXY, if we start to come back down again, I think that this will have found its correction and it will start to take off, okay? Now, at that point, we could begin to confirm the bottom if we start to see a new low here for the DXY, okay? So relief rally, boom, new low. I think that that drop there, taking out that yellow line, confirms the bottom for me for XRP before we even break the 55 cents, okay? Because at that point I think you're looking at a death cross on the DXY on the weekly time frame, which has always been a massive impulsive wave indicator for XRP. It's never not been, okay, and I've shown you this multiple times. So what I'm looking for right now is a retracement, a healthy retracement coming back down to support. I think, you know, this is some kind of ABC at the moment with the DXY coming up, okay? So I would not looking to enter XRP at this point until you start to take out that high, obviously being validated, but right now we could be in some kind of A wave. This beginning some kind of B wave into resistance before dropping again. So just because here we've closed below the 236 at 03970, like I said to you, I think that your next target is the 382. So for example, if it's some kind of A wave and we're putting some kind of B wave into that and then we drop again like this, I think potentially down here at 03556 we could get some bids in down here for XRP while this thing starts to come up like this, push and move into the red line, starts to break down, this bottoms and goes up like that, and you know, at that point we could begin to confirm the bottom XRP before we even get and take out that green line, because that's the confirmation statement at the minute for me. You know, if we ignore the DXY, that's the confirmation statement of a bottom for me, 05593 for XRP. I think once we start to take that out, we really are confirming the bottom. Until then, you know, there always exists the possibility that this could absolutely take off into space. It could have found its bottom here and XRP is just rolling into the depths down here, you know, into a massive impulsive move down, which I've given you targets. If we do see that low lost, I think the XRP will sort of come down to a minimal 24 cents with a possibility of going down to around about 19 to 20 cents right there. But if it happens, it's opportunity, isn't it? What we're looking for is a death cross on the weekly EMAs for the DXY to confirm a massive impulsive move for XRP. Like I said to you, historically it's always been just an amazing entry point to just accumulate like mad on XRP, because you're getting a confirmation statement of a massive impulsive move to the DXY. I'll just quickly remind you, and this is something that we're looking for, you know, historically it's never not done it, okay? On the weekly time frame we're looking for the death cross on the 20 and the 55, 20 and 55. We're almost doing it right now. If we can sort of turn these EMAs into resistance, we don't see some kind of massive breakout here and we don't close above the EMAs, I'm going to start to become a little bit more biased towards the fact that XRP has bottomed and we're looking at some kind of big break eventually, okay? But this is going to be a warning shot for that, and this is what we're looking for. So again, what I'll do, I'll drop the XRP price into that chart so I can show you what I mean for those that have not watched this video before. Historically, whenever we've seen the death cross of the DXY, where the 20 cross of 55, boom, impulsive move. Look at that. It's never not been. Just there, death cross on the DXY, accumulation, boom, confirmation of impulsive moves. So again, this is something in time, you know, whether it happens this year, next year, whatever, it's just something that you can sort of kick back, relax and wait for. It will happen, but I just don't know when. Is it going to happen this year? I don't know. I can't say with 100% certainty. Anyone telling you that it is talking out the bumhole. You know, you can't say it's happened until it's happened. It's potentially going to happen, but has it happened yet? No. It could possibly happen though. That's what I'm trying to convey to you. Confusing, I know, but until we start to see it happen, it's not happened, obviously, because this could be some kind of bear trap down here and this starts to come back up. So I think You know, one thing that could negate this potential massive impulsive move this year for XRP is if we start to see the DXY coming back up and taking out its EMAs as resistance again, getting closes above them. So again, you know, it could happen. Who knows? No one's got a crystal ball, but let's all hope that we get rejected here and this goes down and creates death crosses, because at that point we're going to see something like that for XRP, and this chart here, this will absolutely take off and explode and take off into space, and we're looking at that $6.50 minimal, okay, which will be absolutely amazing. Take care everyone, back to another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.